Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and today we are gonna watch Diana's last performance on The Masked Singer, Maçka I think. And the name of this song is Fly on Wings of Wind. And this is from Core again, Core YouTube channel. Thank you my friends. And let's start. After putting off that mask, Diana sang two songs I think. We watched the first song yesterday evening, and today this is the second song and the last song. Okay. By the way, I don't know what it means, AK. I don't know what it means, these words. I don't know, AK. Beautiful. So this is that song. Okay, I know this song, but I didn't know the name, the title before. Okay, so this is that song. Wow, it started very magical, right? Very magical. Wow, Diana. Okay. Woo! And the wavings from transition from low tones to high tones is very smooth, flawless. And from this performance, we can see that Diana can sing even opera. She can sing even opera songs. She is amazing, okay? Beautiful. The music are beautiful, but the back vocals are beautiful also. In the back vocals, there is Diana's deep voice. This is delicious, but other high tones back vocals also. Maybe this is from show's back vocalist. Maybe, I don't know, but all of these completion are so beautiful. Diana's own back vocal and other back vocals together, and with all the instruments. This is a beautiful arrangement. I love this part. Let's listen that part again. That like ethnic sounding style, like Dimash, right? Dimash stranger performance in the new wave. In this part, Dimash singing similar like this, very ethnic voice type. Let's listen that again. Beautiful. And there is a male back vocalist, and this is so delicious also. Look at that. These combinations, these back vocals, I always love this kind of different elements in these performances, and they together make this performance so delicious. Come on. And her mask is looking so cute, by the way. That Ermine mask. She's looking so cute. Beautiful. That male vocalist was not Diana's herself, right? This voice, like male voice, this is not Diana's own voice, right? This must be a male voice. Or she has that deep tones. I don't know. Is this Diana? I'm talking about these deep notes. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe Diana or maybe a male voice, but she has that capable. She has that talent. It can be Diana also. I don't know. So this is the end of the video. This is very beautiful performance again. Very magical, right? Like Arabian Nights magical music video. Okay, I love that. I love that. Diana, you are so good, my friends. Thank you, my friends, for your suggestion. And we are gonna continue to watch her other performances also. Especially, I am curious about her first performances because in that first performances, lots of people couldn't recognize her voice. It must be difficult. It must be different, Diana performance. So I am curious about those first performances. So next, maybe we are gonna watch that first performances together. So until that moment, please take care of yourself. You're precious for me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.